How to unlock Instagram on school PC laptop 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to unlock Instagram on school PC or laptop 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what you need to do is to just take note of this right here. So just select all of this and then copy it. So I will leave this right here. So after you have copied it, head over to a new tab and then right click on the bookmarks tab right here. So click on add page and then you can add in the URL, which is what we have copied earlier. Then just name this unblocker. After that, click on save, and as you can see, it has been saved with this. So let's try clicking on it and then search for Instagram. Then as you can see, you can just click on Instagram right here, and then this will open without any block or anything on your school PC. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to unlock Instagram on school PC or laptop. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.